Hi guys, here we're going to extend our understanding of the mouse position variable that's given to us by P5 to do a few extra things. What I'd like to do is I'd like to just show you how you can use that variable to make some interesting effects. So here we're going to, I just want to, we've seen that on the previous video. What I want to do is I just want to draw a circle to start with that moves across the screen with your mouse. So its X position is going to be the mouse X variable. It's going to be 100 pixels from the top. It's going to be 33 pixels wide and 33 pixels high. And this is going to be the top circle in our stack of circles. So here you can see I've drawn it. It follows my mouse. So it goes right off the canvas there, it goes right over there. It stays in the same Y position because we've set that manually at 100, but the X position moves. Yeah. So the next thing I want to do is I want to draw another circle in underneath it here. And this circle is going to move relative to our mouse position, but it's going to move a little bit slower. It's going to move half of the distance of our mouse across the screen. So if our mouse is 100 pixels across, this circle is going to be 50 pixels across the screen. So it's going to be mouse position divided by 2. Mouse X position divided by 2. It's going to be 150 from the top of the canvas, and it's going to be the same width and height as the previous one. So you can see it here. So you can see how this top circle follows our mouse, but you can see how the bottom one follows our mouse, but just lags behind the other one because it's half the distance that our mouse has gone. Okay, that's cool. Well, let's try and make one that goes faster. So we're going to use this circle here is going to go twice as fast as our mouse. So it's going to move faster than this top one and this one. Yeah. There we go. So you can see this one still follows our mouse. That other one moves twice as fast. That bottom one moves twice as fast, and this one here moves half as fast. Okay, that's sort of cool. What we might do to make it look a bit nicer is I might just move this. I might make the slower one go above. So I'm going to make the middle one follow the mouse and the other two go a bit slower. But what we also might do is I think that distance is too far to make it an effect that sort of feels like it's related to the mouse. So what I want to do is I want to just times this by 0.75, so it's going to be 75% of the mouse X position, and I'm going to times this one by 1.25, so it's going to be 125% of the mouse position. There we go. See, they're a bit more connected. It feels a little bit nicer. Okay, great. So that's that variable there. As always, you can move this as we did in the last one. Let's see what happens when we move this. Hey, that sort of looks cool. Don't know what I'd use it for, but it's interesting. All right, great. See you in the next one.